Hi, my name is Ben Meijer, and in this video I'd like to talk a little bit about concentration, memory, and DPDR. When you get DPDR, you start to dissociate your mind from your feelings and body, and this separation, this dissociation, means that your memory and your concentration start to work differently. Whether we know it and understand it or not, in normal situation, we start to remember things due to emotions. If I ask you the best day of your life or the worst day of your life, you can easily, normally speaking, go back to it and feel the emotions. We don't remember chronologically. So if I ask you, where were you when you were 12 years old, 3 months and 2 days? Nobody knows. But if I ask you the best day or the worst day, you'll notice that it's the emotions that cause the memory to stick, to stay there. Now, when you are dissociated, you have the lack of connection between mind and body, a glitch in between there, which causes the memory to work less efficiently. People usually complain about concentration problems, and memory gets stored less effectively. Do you want my assistance in curing your DPDR? Call now.